frustrated with 8-ball pool and ready to say goodbye. Let's delete that account for good, right now. First, launch the 8-ball pool app on your Android device. This process only works on Android. Okay, now look for the gear-shaped icon in the top right corner of your screen. That's the settings menu. Tap it. In the settings menu, find and tap on Help and Support. This opens up a new window where you can get assistance. Here, you need to contact Miniclip support. Look for a chat icon, a Contact Us button, or something similar. It might be labeled Report an Issue. Tap on it. Now, you need to directly request account deletion. Type a clear message like I want to delete my account or please delete my 8-ball pool account. Be polite and straightforward. The support agent will likely ask you to confirm your request. Follow their instructions carefully. They might need some account verification information. Give them any information they request. Once confirmed, the agent will start the account deletion process. This might take a few days, so be patient. You should receive a final confirmation message once it's complete.